Hello, welcome to my channel. Firstly, I like to wish all my viewers a very happy Shivratri for Saturday. Thereafter, we're going to make a very delicious, simple recipe, which is spinach and paneer, and it's usually called Palak Paneer. Here I have 400 grams of spinach that I cleaned and washed. We will blanch it quickly in the water. Then I have half a bunch of dhania, 2 green chillies, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 onions that I sliced, 2 dry chilies. For the braise I have half a cup of oil. Then my spices are 1 level tablespoon of pure masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of hurdee, and I have 1 teaspoon of whole jeera and 1 bay leaf. For the taste I have 1 teaspoon of heaped salt. And my paneer is 250 grams, 2 tomatoes that I sliced, and then to garnish I'm going to use a tablespoon of butter, and thereafter I have 5 tablespoons of yogurt, of which I'm going to use 4 tablespoons in the cooking and 1 tablespoon for garnishing. We are going to start off by blanching our spinach. Here I have 1.5 liters of water that I put to boil. I'm going to add in my spinach herbs. Into the boiling water. So I'll allow this just for 2 minutes. Two minutes has passed and I'm going to put my stove off. And I'm going to transfer these leaves into ice water. The purpose is it will stop the leaf from cooking, and it will also keep the green color. Now I'm going to add my blanched spinach to my food processor. To this I'm also going to add in my dhania, and my 2 green chilies. I'm going to let this grind till it's very smooth. Here's my ground up spinach, dhania and chilies. I've got my stove on moderate heat, and I'm going to add in my half a cup oil to the pan. To start off, I'm going to give my paneer a quick fry. See. I gave this a quick fry, and now my paneer is done. So I'm just going to remove it. To the same oil, I'm going to add in my onions. My onions are softened, so I'm just going to add in my green chilies, my dry chilies, my teaspoon of jeera, my 1 bay leaf, and I also chopped up my garlic very small. Put in my garlic. Give all this a nice mix. My onions are nice and brown. Now I'm ready to add in my masalas. To this masala, I'm going to add in my tomatoes. I will allow these tomatoes at 10 minutes for it to get soft. As you can see, my tomatoes are well done. Now I'm just going to add in my spinach mixture to it. And I'm also going to add in my salt. I will give this 8 to 10 minutes to cook. 8 minutes has passed and my spinach is almost cooked. So now I'm going to add in my yogurt, which is 4 tablespoons. Give this a nice mix. Two minutes has passed, and as you can see, it's looking so nice and creamy. To that, I'm going to add in my paneer, and I'll allow this another 5 minutes till it take color. I'll give this a quick stir, but if you all like, you can add extra paneer. To this point, we adjusted our salt, and now I'm ready to throw in my butter. I'm just going to drizzle my remaining of the yogurt, but you can also use fresh cream. Now I'm ready to put my stove off, and I'm also ready to serve. Here you go, your palak paneer or spinach and paneer. It goes very well with some lovely hot roti made. In fact, I look into many ways to use spinach because I have so much growing in the garden and they grow wild with all the rain that we have. So this is another recipe that I'm using up my garden spinach. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.